can drive it to your new home across town or across the country, or store it at one of our secure storage centers. That's Pause, the best moving and storage idea ever.
You like the car?
Hopefully he can forget everything that's happened and get
Look at
back
it.
to the precious time with her son. The fascia's a little sucky. He didn't do any capping on the windows. I guess we should pull the fascia down and go new.
Oh my goodness. Pop, look at her.
I really appreciate you coming in here. No problem. It's really good. We're gonna fix that.
Sure, baby.
What do you want to pull Anthony?
Made it about 1/2 inch bigger, so it goes right up to the shingle. These are aluminum trim nails. Aluminum will rust. Oh, it is very fine to use spots. You're never going to get any rusting or any on the streets that may come out in the future from a nail rusting in behind there.
Doors were installed. So this is really easy to fix.
See, I'll drive somewhere later.
Well,
baby, you got a car?
With wood, which is no sweat. On this side, I have brick. I don't have the room to do
Try to
it,
blow
so
the
I
horn.
Dana
brought you that.
I'm going to use MDF.
Oh, baby.
Side glue it and
Like the
screw it to
baby?
secure my frame to give me a nice true edge.